Thinking about estate planning but not sure where to start? Most people walk into an estate planning attorney's office completely unprepared, leading to expensive meetings, wasted time, and confusion. Before you hire an estate planning lawyer, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to help you get organized and informed, if you use it the right way. Start by asking ChatGPT to help you create a checklist of your assets. It can prompt you to think about everything from your home and vehicles to retirement accounts and life insurance policies. This makes it much easier to walk into your attorney's office with a clear picture of what you own. Next, use ChatGPT to break down confusing legal terms. If you're staring at documents like durable power of attorney or revocable trust, AI can explain these in plain English so you feel more confident during your consultation. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you organize your questions. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you'll arrive with specific concerns about things like probate, taxes, or blended family situations. But remember, ChatGPT isn't a substitute for a lawyer. It can't give you state-specific legal advice, and it sometimes invents laws or misses important local rules. Never enter sensitive details like account numbers or real names into AI tools. Think of ChatGPT as your research assistant, not your attorney. Use it to prepare, then bring your questions and organized information to a qualified estate planning lawyer who can give you advice tailored to your family and your state. We specialize in helping families in Missouri and Arkansas navigate comprehensive estate planning solutions. We'd love to hear your family's story and help you protect what matters most.